Right YouTube, welcome back to my channel, and this time I'm going to be fitting these fake air scoops to my Mustang S550. Stay tuned. For more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you like this particular video, then please give me the thumbs up. Let's go. So yeah, this next mod will be the application of these side scoops or air intakes. So let's have a look at them. So I've got these fairly cheap from a guy who bought them but didn't really want to put them on his car. He couldn't be bothered, I don't think. So I got them dead cheap, but they are just plastic and obviously got no paint on them, so they will need painting up. So that's them. They're pretty good, I think. I've had them against the car and they fit pretty well. They've got this sort of vac vent here, but that does come off, that doesn't bolt, so you can send them off to be painted without that piece on. And I'm going to get them done to be exactly, obviously the same colour as the car. Don't fancy them being black, I don't think it'll work. So I'm going to take these off now to the paint shop, and next time we see these, they should be all painted and ready to apply.
Many months later.
So I've had these scoops now knocking about in my garage for quite a while. In fact, if you remember when I got my car ceramic coated, Automotive Finesse, who actually had to repaint the rear wing as well because it had a problem. So while they were doing that, I asked them if they would paint these, which were originally that colour, just a black plastic. I'd asked them if they could use any remaining paint that they had to actually paint these, and they came through for me, and these are absolutely fantastic. In fact, Automotive Finesse actually even ceramic coated these for me after they painted them, so that's absolutely superb. So what we need to do is a little bit of assembly, and then we can get them stuck on the side of the car. So these do come in two parts, which is the fake air vents on the outside and the scoop itself. So I just need to replace these fake air vents back on. Now these scoops did come with some supplied double-sided sticky tape, but I'm not 100% sure what that make is, so I'm going to chuck that away, and I've gone and bought some proper 3M very super sticky double-sided tape, and I'm going to use this for this job. Okay, so I've actually got some thick tape and some thinner tape, so I think on these parts here I'm going to apply the thick tape, and around these other edges bits here I'm going to put some of the thinner tape. That's that one done. I'm going to go do the other one, and then we can mount them on the car. So the next job will be to use some isopropyl alcohol and clean the area where it's going to stick. Now what we need to do is get all the backing tape off the sticky tape. I've cheated here. I've just started each little piece on the bench to make it easy for getting it off. And now we have the one chance of lining it up correctly. So here goes. Ooh, seems to have gone all right. Let's give it a little clean up. We go to the other side and we can take a look at them. And that's it, both of them now fitted to the car, and what a difference they make. Check this out.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain.
So that's it, guys, well pleased with those now. I think they make a great addition to the car. I'm very happy with the way they've gone on. And yeah, and so easy to fit. So that's it, guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this. If you do like this type of content, then please subscribe to my channel. If you like this particular video, then please give me the thumbs up. Till the next time, take care.